Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the music section of Everglow's Dun Dun new song. So I will be going 75, 90 and full speed. If you want the explanation tutorial where I go step by step of this chorus, make sure you click up there, or I will also link it in the description box below. And y'all know the drill. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started.
You're so dun 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 dun. You're so dun. Now you're done. 나의 눈빛이 같이 자기는 인간같이 Baby 꼼짝 못할걸. You're so dun 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 dun. You're so dun. Now you're done. 나의 눈빛이 같이 자기는 인간같이 Baby 꼼짝 못할걸. You're so dun 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 dun. You're so dun. Now you're done. 나의 눈빛이 같이 자기는 인간같이 Baby 꼼짝 못할걸.
Alrighty, thank you so much for learning this entire tutorial with me. I really hope you enjoy it. I'm super excited to do more tutorials and covers for this month, so hopefully you're just as excited as I am. If you cover this, make sure you tag me at felicia.covers, and all my other social media sites are in the description box below. Thank you again so much. I really do appreciate all your support. I know I say that every single video, but I really do love talking with y'all. So thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!